Good morning, everybody. Out here today. Hope everybody had a good Christmas. Got ourselves another interior exterior detail on a truck. So we're just packing up ready and we're going to be heading to the customer's house. We're going to do a full setup here with the tent and going to get started here real soon. So hope you all had a good Christmas. Subscribe, like, follow, and pay attention for more videos. Brennan's Mobile Detailing. Take care. Cheers. Hey, everyone. So we're on our way. We're all packed up. We're going to be heading over to the customer's house. We're going to be doing a full interior, exterior detail on a Ford F-150. The weather is a little weather out here today. We're getting a little rain. But we're going to get the tent all set up, get that all situated and everything. And I'm going to be completely out of the rain. And then we're going to start with the interior and go and do the exterior as well. For anybody who hasn't, please hit the like and subscribe. And please follow my YouTube channel for all the latest, greatest of detailing for 2025. Thank you so much. Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Brennan here from Brennan's Mobile Detailing on site, and I'm going to give you guys a walkthrough as full interior exterior detail, and this is basically what we're going to be doing. So this truck's not too bad. We're going to do a walkthrough, do a vacuum. Obviously, we're going to blow out all the debris in between all the crevices. We're going to do a vacuum. We're going to do a steam clean, and have this vehicle looking brand new again, ladies and gentlemen. You can see a little bit of salt stains and whatnot, but overall this vehicle is not too bad at all. So I rate this one out of say a 6.5 for being good. I'm gonna do an exterior wash. Actually, you can see a little bit of the headlights here. They got a little bit of weathered and stuff like that. We're gonna bring them back to life for this guy. So as I was mentioning, we got the tent all set up. We're going to be working underneath the tarp. Everything's all set up here pretty well out of the rain for the most part. So overall, for a 2013 Ford F-150, this one's not too bad at all, actually. So going to bring this baby right back to life. This is it, folks. A full interior, exterior detail on this 2014 Ford F-150. As you can see, vacuum, steam cleaned, salt stain removal. I mentioned this one's not that bad because it is clean. It is an older truck, but it has been taken care of pretty good. Overall, not a bad looking truck, even though we are out here in the pouring rain, fighting the elements. This did turn out pretty good.
And that's it, folks. Like, subscribe, follow, comment. Brennan's Mobile Detailing out here in North York, Toronto. And hope everybody has a happy new year. Be sure to like and subscribe.